Because of that, that Hustler Fund experience of over 2.5 years, we have established a Hustler Fund credit rating system. So from that, it's just like a normal learning experience. After some time, we want to test you, whether you have improved or whether you still have challenges here and there and you need room to improve.
Is the credit rating system outside what we already have in the market?
No, yeah, it's outside what you already, at least, you know, when you come up with a curriculum, and I will say this was like a curriculum which you're doing on nurturing credit behavior, it comes a time when you say, okay, fine, let me test whether my student have understood, whether my student have gained any new knowledge out of this experience. So this is what we've done. So we develop a rating system to help us, like separate.
Is it regulated by the central bank?
Yeah, so we are going there. So allow me just to explain this. Okay. Yeah. First, we came up because it is us who are giving these products. It is us who are monitoring your behavior. Because remember, when we started with the personal loan product, because we have about 3 and now almost going to 4 products that we are launching as Hustler Fund. The first one, which was personal loan, established credit history, gave everybody a fair chance. It was more of universal access. Everybody will access, especially those people who wanted to rebuild their credit rating and come up with a credit score that can enable them be visible now to the mainstream financial market. So that experience was crystallized now into a credit rating system. And what are the parameters? The first parameter was how long does it take you to repay, the frequency of your loan, those kind, the amount, and how you've been able to grow your limits. Because we did it.
And how many people have been gone through that system?
So all the 26 million beneficiaries of Hustler Fund have all been rated. Because you see,
who is in custodian of this data?
No, but we have the data. We have the data, we know. Because even you today, I don't know if you're a beneficiary of Hustler Fund.
Yes, I am.
You can tell me what is your score. Just dial *254#. You select Hustler Fund, and the first thing it will beam there, it will show you your rating. Now I want to explain what does this rating mean.
You talked about which one?
*254#.
Yeah, and I want you also to check your credit history.
Yeah, *254#.
*254#, right?
Dial.
And then you dial. I hope you're doing this together.
And you don't need any airtime.
So welcome to Financial Inclusion.
Yeah.
So which one do you check?
So
Hustler Fund 1.
Pick Hustler Fund 1.
Yeah. And then welcome to Hustler. Select an option to proceed. My Hustler rating. I check that one, right?
Did you see? Check your Hustler Fund rating.
Your Hustler rating is 8 or 9. What is that?
So in the bracket, what have they put there?
A3.
Good. Congratulations.
What is that?
You're among the best borrowers we have on Hustler Fund. Yes.
Right. I mean,
have you signed up on the bridge product?
No, I didn't go beyond that.
So you got to sign up now on the bridge product. I'm sure now your current limit will increase.
So who is the best? I am A3.
So it's a 9-band rating system from A1. So we have A1, which is excellent. Then we have A2, A3. Then we have B1, B2, B3. Then we have C1, C2.
So
C3.
A1
so
is
from
the best.
A is the best. So A1, of course,
which is the worst?
C3.
C3.
C3 is the worst.
What